Hi all, this is Tamara Rubin. Here I am at the Lead Safe Mama storage unit where we have all our lead contaminated products and some lead free things too. And one thing I wanted to mention to you that was a little victory, another Lead Safe Mama quiet victory that you may know about or may not know about, is the cast aluminum KitchenAid components. So these cast aluminum KitchenAid components are made with lead contaminated cast aluminum. And this is one of the bare cast aluminum pieces that they were selling as like a feature. Look, it's like rustic. It ages over time. It gets a patina. Well, that patina is the lead contaminated cast aluminum chalking onto your food. If you had one of these at any time and then you were mixing food with it, you'd notice black streaks in your cookie dough. And other examples of this kind of lead contaminated cast aluminum, this is a very common one, these kind of cookie ice cream scoops, sorry. Another really common lead contaminated cast aluminum item is a garlic press. And also some lime squeezers. I've got probably dozens of these things here. But the little victory, silent victory, but not really a victory. They never recalled these. They had a whole public push to try and discredit the findings. They weren't actually, if you look at the language, discrediting our findings. They actually admitted that they have lead in the coated ones. The coating is covering the lead contaminated cast aluminum, but the coating chips. I just got an email from someone this week saying she's only had hers 5 weeks and it's chipped and almost all chipped off, exposing the lead contaminated cast aluminum underneath. But the crazy little victory was when we first called this out about 8 or 10 years ago, KitchenAid responded by creating an upgrade to a lead-free set. So now you can pay extra for the lead-free set that is made of stainless steel. It's about, it's like $125 on sale for $99, which used to be the regular price. And that is lead-free. Even the top knot of the whisk is lead-free. But the ones that come with the standard KitchenAid mixer are lead contaminated. Ones like this are dangerous. The ones that are chipped should not be used. If you have ones where the white coating has chipped off, you definitely want to ask them to replace them. And the more pressure we can put on them, the better. What happened, 8 or 10 years ago was we had a pretty big community then too. And a lot of people called and said, we want you to deal with this. And so they created the lead-free stainless steel upgrade. So you can upgrade to healthier or continue potentially exposing your family on a regular basis. And we did file a Consumer Product Safety Commission violation report because they specifically advertised these products to be used by children and entire families. The CPSC decided not to remove, not to issue a recall. And now these are a violation of the Washington State new law for pots and pans toxicity. But I haven't seen any recall in progress on that. So hopefully we'll move forward. All right, thanks for being here. Another silent victory that you may not have known about. Learn more at leadsafemama.com and look up the CPSC violation report specifically if you want all the details on the BS from KitchenAid, including their doublespeak and excuses for making lead contaminated products that are in nearly every American home. Bye-bye.